This forum has a lot of information already, so you can browse it and find the appropriate forums and find your solution. If you still cannot find the solution, you can go to the main page and find any page like here, contact, and you can see online. Then you can chat with us if we see this online. Sometimes you need to get the support from us, and we need to remotely control your desktop. And here is a way I suggest to use. So first you go to www.usbjtech.com and browse any contact page. As soon as you see this one here, then you can chat with us. Say hello. Okay. So this is the URL we will request you to install here. So here you say I want to get support, but because you have not installed the add-on yet, so you need to download it. Accept and install. So after you've seen this one, you say, I want to generate code. And then you type on this code in, say, this is my code. Now, on the remote side, I have seen this code. So would you allow this one to control your computer? Say yes. And now, at the remote side, I am able to control your desktop. Say, I want to see the software and run it.